R. Barton, not Dr. Barton, D.R. Barton. Look, is it vaccines that make you and a lot of other people bullish for 2021?
I think that's one of the big keys, Stuart. You know, when we get people out back doing their regular commerce, back being among people. You were just talking with the doc before about, you know, clamping down on schools, and bars are actually getting some restrictions. They're not closed. Once we start doing those things, that is a very good thing. But I don't think it's the only thing that's pushing the market up, Stuart. We're seeing resurgence in retail. We're seeing a lot of other things coming back from where they were, and retail higher than it was pre-COVID. So there's a lot of big things, including a lot of money on the sidelines pushing us up.
Now, there's something called Investors Intelligence, and that's a publication, and it shows 60 to 18. 60 bulls, 18 bears. There's a huge discrepancy. When everybody says stocks are going up, when everybody's bullish, don't you get a little nervous?
Yeah, that's we talk about that as sentiment analysis. When sentiment gets too far on one side of the boat tends to want to right itself. I believe, however, if we look at those numbers over the long term, what happens is we can get overly bullish and stay overly bullish for a goodly period of time. It's when you get really, really bearish that you tend to get those snapbacks. So even though we've got regular retail investors and some professional investors really excited, that can keep going for a while, Stuart, and there's my bet to keep going for a while, especially into the end of the year.
Tell me about Walmart. I know you like it. I know it's been doing extremely well recently. You think it's going further up?
I think it has just broken out to all-time highs in this after this earnings report. Stuart, this little two-day pullback's a great place to buy. Look, they have been killing it for a long time in getting automation into the stores, in treating people, their employees. They've made great strides in treating them better and retaining them. But their e-commerce numbers, they said they've compacted 3 to 5 years worth of growth in e-commerce into 3 to 5 months, up 79% year over year this quarter, 97% the previous quarter, and again 74% the quarter before that. The 3 quarters so far this year, they've been all above 70% in their e-commerce growth. So they're really doing very well in that game, and they're one of the true competitors to Amazon.
You got it. Walmart at 149 pre-market this morning. DR, thanks very much indeed.